If you've ever deleted something in Evernote and then couldn't find it again, you're not alone. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to find the trash in Evernote on desktop and in the web app, so you can recover deleted notes when you need them. This is a super simple process, but if you don't know where to look, it can be easy to miss. So if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software guides just like this one. Let's jump in. First, open Evernote on your computer or in your browser and make sure you're signed into the correct account. This part matters because the trash is tied to the account you're currently using. Once you're inside Evernote, look at the left sidebar. You'll want to scroll all the way down to the very bottom of that sidebar. In many cases, the trash folder is sitting there near the bottom, just below your notebooks and shortcuts. If you see trash right away, great. Just click it, and you'll be taken to all of your deleted notes. From there, you can review what's inside, open a note to check it, and restore anything you still need. That's the fastest way to find the deleted content in Evernote. Now, if you don't see trash at first, don't worry. Evernote sometimes hides it depending on your sidebar settings. In that case, look for a More option in the sidebar. Click More and you should reveal additional folders and navigation items, including trash. Once it appears, select it the same way. If trash still isn't visible, there's one more place to check. Go into Settings, then open Preferences and look for the sidebar settings. Make sure trash is enabled to show in the sidebar. After you turn that on, go back to the main Evernote window and scroll down again. You should now be able to see trash at the bottom of the left panel. Once you're in trash, you can search through deleted notes and decide what to keep or restore. This is especially useful if you accidentally removed an important note, project plan, checklist, or saved idea. Just remember that trash is the place where Evernote stores deleted items before they're permanently removed. So the key steps are simple. Go to the bottom of the left sidebar, click Trash, and if you don't see it, click More, or adjust your sidebar preferences in Settings. That's all there is to it. If this video helped you find the trash in Evernote, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy Evernote tips, app tutorials, and productivity guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.